In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create pricing tables with PandaDoc. So in order to create your pricing tables on PandaDoc, first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is pandadoc.com. From in there, you have two options. You can either log in or sign up. So if you already have an account, click onto this login. If you don't have one yet, click onto this get started option. And then from in there, you can actually schedule a demo in order to be a part of their team and for you to actually have a free trial of their actual account and tailor this particular application to your needs. So I have in here this article that can help us. So your pricing table, you can add or use this into your actual PandaDoc. First thing you need to do is to head over to the document and into your right sidebar, you can see in here the pricing table option. Into this part, you can just add the products that you want to invoice in your product table. And once you have added the product right here, you should be able to see this right there. Just head over and click on products and add the product and click on add items option, and you can also increase the quantity of that. You need the product name, SKU, product descriptions, and you can add products with the needed category to be shown as well. Now in here you can see the custom fields, so you can actually fill out the field name and field value for those custom fields if you want. You can add SKUs, costs, and the likes if you want. You can hide those columns or lock those columns for your convenience as well. Now you can add some names, description, and you can see it right here all together. Now in here, you should be able to see that we have now this pricing table and we have the total tax price for that. And you can now proceed to send that to your consumer in order for them to pay it for you. So that's how you create pricing tables with PandaDoc. Hope we help.